Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming a Minecraft bedwars video on doubles. I like this dude's skin, it's kind of like a moose. I hope I'm on this dude's team right here. Great booch. And I hope I'm not solo. That's just. It's going straight to me. No! Darn it. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna follow my teammate. Okay. So let's see if I can get 2 emeralds. I'll go back. Hopefully 4 so that I can get. I'm pretty sure 4 is for. Oh. Let him fight this fight. Did he just fall off the cliff? I gotta go back to my base. No point in putting anything in the chest. Because then it's just be pointless. I only have 1 life. Probably not gonna win this time. I'm not gonna win this time. Yeah. Wow, we really did good on some good skin. We did good on my first video. We're doing good on my other video, basketball trick shots. If you haven't seen my other videos, you can. I've made 3 others. And we're straight on to blue. Yeah, that's good because blue disconnect. Someone on blue team disconnected. I'm gonna get 12. Oh, good. He protected our bed. So that if we could go to blue, we won't get dead. Hopefully he doesn't see us. Wait, he doesn't have a bed? Did he leave? Did he leave? That's weird. I don't know why he didn't have a bed. Well, I got a final kill. Oh wait, you still have. Yes. Let's go. Gotta get. Okay, I'll get 40 and I'm gonna starting off better because I got a final kill. Got this and then I have 9. What should I use it on? I'm gonna knockback stick. Good, my teammate's making her bed. No, that's not my teammate. Nice. I'm gonna grab some diamonds. I'm gonna get 2 diamonds. Dude, what are you doing? I need to go back to my basement and die. I'm gonna put some stuff in my ender chest. Let's see, can I get anything? Get reinforced armor, or I'll get this golden forge. Darn. I only need two though. You get 2 gold. Wait, hold up. I need to grab this, and I need 1 more gold. I hope my red teammate can hold off the pink people. We need to get rid of their bed. Yes, I got a sharpened iron sword. That's good. Pink team is coming. Good job, teammate. You just saved. Oh, scary. Oh well. I'm only gonna do 3 games, so this game and 1 more. Or we'll do it until I win. I'm gonna get a stone sword. I'm not sure if this. Oh yeah, it is. Sorry, my sister is watching a movie in the background. That was a close one. Yes, we have almost killed pink team. Also, I got myself an iron sword, so that's good, right? Yes, it is. Very good. Fireball. I'm gonna still go this way and help my teammate. Even though it shouldn't be too hard, he's pretty good. But although the other team is also really good. Actually, I'm gonna go back and get our new forge. Or maybe sharpness. Should I get sharpness or new forge? Let's see. Oh, wait. Alright. Forge isn't bad. Maybe we'll win the... Wait, it's only yellow? There's only one yellow person left? Oh. Well, this is gonna be easy. Easy. What? Why does it say, behold the great and powerful my magnify? I don't know. I'm going over to my teammate. I'm gonna drop onto their base. Yoink. Let's see if they have anything in this forge. Not bad. Still not very good. Yellow's gonna go to our base. Our only choice is to run and get to his base first. Yellow's going to our base. Crap, we gotta run. I'll have to shoot a fireball at it. Yep. Okay. We need to be careful. We might not win this. I'm gonna get armor. Oh wow. From you can't take on two of us, right? Although if one of us dies, it's possible he's been stacking up, so maybe he has like diamond armor and diamond sword. I see him. I'm going. He's at the team that we killed first. Yep, he has diamond armor.